What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Inside Homebuilt Workshop, episode number 40. So how the heck are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. We are going to chat it up for a few minutes here in the shop. It's been a pretty good week here this week. This week marks the 1 month that I've gone full time with Homebuilt Workshop, and so far, we're good. Lights are still on. We still got food on the table. We're good to go. You know, I joke about that, but it's actually, I mean, it's a legitimate concern, right? When you go out on your own to try to do something, there's always that worry of, is it going to work out? And I try to squash that a lot. I squash that worry all the time, but it's there. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I'm not trying to hide anything. It's there. It's in the back of my head. So, but that's what keeps me going. And so far, I'm loving what I do. So yesterday, the pendant light video came out. Did you guys get to see that? The link down below. If you haven't, make sure you check it out. Those pendant lights came out really awesome. Man, what a humongous difference that made at the guitar repair bench. Holy cow. Before, the shadows were so bad. I actually sat there a few times with a flashlight while I was working, trying to see what I was doing. But now, man, there's just so much light that comes down. It's awesome. I am so glad I put that together. I had some issues with those light sockets though. The company that I ordered them from really didn't include a lot of information on those things. And I'm not going to drop names or anything because I'm not trying to badmouth them. Their customer support was great. When you put those sockets together, there's a little tab in there that locks. So once you screw it together, it locks. So what happened was, when I received all the parts, I put the thing together without the wire, just to, you know, pre-assemble, just to make sure, well, the thing locked, and I couldn't get it apart. So I immediately kind of freaked out a little bit, and I sent him an email and everything, and ended up figuring out how to, there's a little tab that I had to press so that I could unscrew that and get it apart. And that's exactly what their rep told me. He said there was supposed to have been some documentation in there, which there was not in my package that said anything about that. So if you order sockets, just be really careful. Make sure you know how they go together. Again, I'm not going to drop names. I'm not trying to badmouth anybody because the support for this company was really great. But just make sure you know what you have before you start putting something together, because it would have saved me an hour or so of messing around, just if I'd have known that. I really like the way the barnwood, the dark barnwood, and that red cord works out. The shades are made out of alabaster, and it's something that I found at the hardware store. It was on clearance. It was like $5 a piece, and actually I think it looks really good. I like that white with the red cord. I think it has a really neat look. So if you haven't checked the video out, make sure you head on over there and give it a look. One thing you may have noticed, if you follow me on Facebook, you'll notice that I post the video over there as well as on YouTube. That's something that I've been doing a lot more lately, posting some of my videos and past projects over on Facebook directly as well. Just so you know what's going on, I am posting them on both platforms. It's the same video, just posting it in both places, so you can watch it on both places. So coming off the video I posted last week, which was episode 39, I got a request to do a guitar wiring video. Might try to work something like that in. It might be a little while. I'm not going to be able to get to it right away. But that's a good question, because there's a bazillion different ways to wire a guitar. I might try to work that in because, you know, there is a couple things that I always have to refer back to. No matter how many times I wire a guitar, I always have to go back and look up a few certain things. And so it might be kind of helpful. Maybe I'll put some kind of drawing or something together. We'll see about that. I can see where that could be helpful. So if you guys have suggestions for videos though, I am welcome. Please keep them coming. Let me know what you might want to see, and maybe what you don't want to see. Another thing that you guys let me know of. There's been a few videos that I've put out the last few weeks that didn't have outtakes. One of them was because I really didn't have any outtakes, and the other one, when I'm editing, I just keep plopping them all at the end, so that when I get to the end, then I grab all them and I put them at the end of my file. Well, what happened was I kept moving them over there, and when I got the video done, I didn't pull them back over, so when I rendered it completely without the outtakes. So, sorry about that. I will do my best to keep those outtakes in there, and keep them coming. I know you guys enjoy them, and I enjoy putting them in there as well. But that's why you haven't seen them the last couple of weeks. I didn't have one, and the other one was, well, that was my mistake. It's kind of chilly out here. So let's see. What else is going on? What else came out of that video? Anything in particular? Thank you guys for leaving comments and stuff on a lot of these videos. I like responding with you, and you know, we're kind of like building a relationship even though we've never met. It's just really cool. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. You guys have some great feedback for me and a lot of encouraging words, and I definitely do appreciate that a lot. So if you guys have followed me on, I believe, Instagram, I've been trying to post a daily vlog update, and I just realized that yesterday I didn't post one. So the cool thing is it's only, you only get like a minute, right? So 59 seconds. I'm trying to not hit 60. I don't know if it'll kick me out of there or not. I'm trying to do a daily update, just a real quick recap at the end of the day. I kind of started that just kind of for myself as a way to document my day, but still share it with you guys. Just kind of a quick recap of what happened throughout the day, what I got done, what I didn't get done. I don't know. If you guys watch that, let me know what you think. I kind of like doing it. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think about that, if you watch it at all. And if not, it's no big deal. You don't have to. It's just something I'm trying to do. I want to try to do it at least for a year. I'm going to keep going with it, and we'll go from there. But give me your feedback on that if you follow it or not. Shop-wise, business-wise, I'm feeling pretty good. I've got videos posted and uploaded for the next week or so, 2 weeks almost, and so I'm a little bit ahead. I don't want to get too comfortable because I can't let off the gas, but I'm feeling pretty good. Got videos posted, and you know, just got to keep the daily stuff going. Working on editing another video that'll be probably in 2 weeks, but I'm feeling good. Things are rolling. I just got to get some guitars wrapped up. Hopefully you guys will be excited. I'm gonna have one available for sale to the public very, very soon. I'm just waiting for the pickup to come in. It's supposed to be here, I think, Tuesday. So I'll be able to get that guy wired up, set up, and it's right-handed, so I can't play it very well. So I want to hand it off to a guitar player buddy of mine, have them play it a little bit, and make sure my setup and everything is good, and then we'll get that guy posted for sale. So be on the lookout for that if you're looking for a Haley guitar. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by, checking out this episode of Inside Homebuilt Workshop. I'm gonna take my coffee back inside for a little bit, warm up, my hands are getting cold, and get this video edited for you. So thanks a lot, we'll see you next time.